Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to show seconds on the Windows 11 taskbar clock. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the settings. So you can use Windows plus I for it. You will open up the settings and you will see everything here. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to go to time and language. And here we want to select the date and time. Now, we got a lot of options here, but what we're interested in is we want to go to the show time and the date in the system tray right here. Now, we want to expand that menu, and here you have show seconds in system tray clock. Now, of course, it uses more power, but you may notice the difference right in the bottom right corner. Here we have the seconds, and of course, they are working. We can turn it off, turn it on right here, but we're interested in showing it. Now, as you guys can see, that worked. Now I've closed the settings. It is still enabled, but if you want to do it the other way, you can right click on your time, click to adjust date and time, and that saves you time to simply go here. Then you will see show time and date in the system tray. You can open it up and you have the same setting. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.